Service Center installation consists of SNS Service Center system service registration and startup on provided computer and creation of new or usage of existing SafeNSec Enterprise database. During the installation, Service Center Working Database is defined. Each Service Center uses one SafeNSec Enterprise database. Installation steps. Download SNS-C setup.exe executable file. Choose resources where to install Service Center. By default, installation is executed into catalog program files /sn safe and software /SafeNSec Service Center. Choose the resource MSDE or MS SQL Server, which will be used for information database storage. Enter the name in field SQL Server name. You can choose from the list or write manually. Then enter the name of new SafeNSec Enterprise database in field SQL Server database name. By default, database is created under SNS Enterprise name. Notice, Service Center and SafeNSec Enterprise database can be installed on one or different resources. The next installation step gives you the opportunity to enter your license number or use the trial license for 10 workstations. Finish the installation.